So if you want to add the perfect amount of back set to your bow and you want your form to have an exactly perfect minor arc rather than just eyeballing it and penciling a really long arc down your back set form, which is really easy to mess up and have variances, this is the perfect way to make a back set form and to mark it out. I want 4 inches of back set on this form. So I'm going to mark at 1 inch from this edge on this end. I'm going to mark 1 inch on this edge. And I want to find center of this board. This board is 72 1/4, so center of this board is going to be 36 1/8. Okay, so there's center. If you want to make a back set form for 3 inches of back set to your bow, you'd go 3 inches from your 1 inch mark here. You'd go 3 inches up, so you'd mark at 4. If you want to add 4 inches of back set to your bow, you'd make a mark at 5. Mark where your center mark on your board intersects your 5 inch mark. And then we're gonna move over here and I'll show you how to mark this perfect. I've just got a screw going into the top of that board right there. This is just on my shave horse. You could just lay a 2x4 on the ground and stick a nail in it and weigh down the 2x4 so it doesn't move with some weights on the end of it or something. All right, so I've got my board laid on the ground. Got my tape measure hooked on my screw down there, my shave horse. You want this 1 inch mark to be 14 feet from that screw, as well as your 1 inch mark on the other end. So get those lined up at 14 feet. You know that this board is true to that screw down there and not cockeyed. I'm just gonna lock my tape measure at 14 feet 1/8 of an inch. Hold my pencil on there. Keep it taut, but not so taut that your tape measure moves out of the lock position. Okay. Now let's go back this way. Now you've got a perfect minor arc. There you have it. Perfect back set form. Now you can go ahead and take your rasp and clean this up if you have any spots that are canted either way, so you don't introduce limb twist into your bow. But there's how it's done. There you have it.